Hey, Motorman here, my tip of the week. I get a lot of riders riding Indian motorcycles. It's a bigger bike than the Harley, longer wheelbase, longer rake. They don't know if it'll make 18-foot turns. The Harleys will do under 18 foot, probably about 15 and a half. Well, let's see how narrow a turn I can make with this bike. I'm going to put it right on the floorboards.
$18.
I made it in 18 feet, but I was at full lock right on the floorboard. So about 18 feet is the best you're going to get as far as a U-turn or a circle. If you're in seriously a motor officer course where you have to turn at 18 feet and then come back again at 18 feet, I'm not sure this bike will do it. It's not capable, and it's just a little bit too long. It's simple physics. Nothing wrong with that, but if you're going to enter a competition that's set up at 18 feet for the Harleys, well, you're going to be in trouble. Until next week.